Okay, clarinets, let's have a look at Havana. This is arranged by Matt Conway for concert band. Okay, in the beginning, you have something that's repeated over and over, an ostinato, and you've got rest, note, rest, note, rest, longer note, note. It'll sound a bit like this. You've got C, A, and B's. This is the clarinet 2-part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3. 1. Okay, so that pattern goes on for a little while. I'm going to go now to bar 21 because you have something a little bit interesting here. The rhythm, if you look at 21, goes like this. Ti-ta, ti, 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 ti. 2, 3, 4. And again, 2, 3, 21. Ti-ta, ti, 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 ti. Okay, so we go G, A, G, A, E, D, C, D, B. 1, 2, 3. Okay, might take a little bit of practice that, but you'll get that. I'll look now at 23. I've got rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3. Tika, ti, 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 ta. T, 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 T. Okay. So at bar 21, 22, 23, 24, bar 24, you've got 2 beats rest, and then you've got a half a beat rest. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, tika, T, T on the A. I'll show you how that goes. 1, 2. Okay. All right, so I'll go from 21 now, and I'll go through up until bar 29, just so you can follow the rhythm. 1, 2, 21. Rest, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, I hope that's okay. All right, we're up to bar 29. It's the upbeat to bar 29. I'll take you from 29 to 37. You've got C, E, E, C, C, A. Huh? There's your B, and now here's your A. C, E, E, C, C, A, rest. E, D, E, F, E, D, C, E, E, C, C, A, rest. E, D, C, F, E, D, C, E, E, C, C, A, rest. E, D, E, F, E, D, C, E, C, E, D, E, D, C, E, B. Okay. So I'll play that for you. I'm doing the little upbeat to bar 29. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're up to bar 37 now. This is a cool section for the clarinets here, from bar 37 to bar 45. So from bar 37 you've got A, C, C, A, G sharp. A, C, C, a little quaver rest, like a half beat rest, just like we call it 50 Vatu rest. A, C, C, A, G sharp. That's a new note for you. Here's your B, here's your A, here's your G, and your G sharp, you're just going to add this little key here. So you need to be going from an A to a G sharp. Okay, so from 37 I've got A, C, C, A, G sharp, B, B, D, F, E, and then it repeats. Like this, little pattern. Okay, and when we get back to bar 45, it's just like the beginning. Rest, C, rest, A, rest, B, B, rest, C, rest, A, rest, B, B. All right, looking at bar 60, you've got C61, sorry, C4, 2, A, G, 2, 3, 4, C4, 2, A, G, C sharp, like that. Always this G sharp here. I'll play 61 for you. 1, 2, 3. Crescendo there, because we have to crescendo right up to a fortissimo. And you probably noticed that the G sharp, I'm sneaking in that G sharp before I get to beat one of the next bar. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you get that G sharp before the beginning of the next bar. And that takes you pretty much to the end. I hope that's helpful. That's tutorial for Clarinet 1 of Havana.